Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload video to Google Drive and share link. So first step you need to do is to open Google Drive. So once you open Google Drive, you simply need to sign in into your account. Here you can see I sign in into my account. Then you simply need to click on plus new to upload the video. As you can see, I already uploaded many videos. So here you can see the video. So you simply need to select the video like this, and here you can simply see different options. So let me close this, click on three dots, and here you can see different options. So I want to share this, so you simply need to click here share, and here you can see anyone with the link. So if you want to allow anyone with the link, so you simply need to copy link. But if you do not want to allow anyone with the link, so you simply need to copy link and share that link anywhere wherever you want. So this is a process how you can upload video to Google Drive and share link. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.